This is Krasnak and we are ready to go to Colorado Springs! Vlogger yan! Excited ko. Pero medyo late na me. Supposedly, mag-drive me starting 8 o'clock, but it's already 9. It's a 4-hour drive, so it's not that far from here in Albuquerque. So we'll find out kung unsa may oras maabot dito. See you! We are here sa among accommodation. It was a 5-hour drive, pero super ganda, super nice ang drive. Ang sceneries is worth it. So you should do this drive from Albuquerque all the way to Colorado. We'll put all the things inside our cabin and I'll show you guys our cabin. Welcome to our very affordable yet very beautiful Airbnb nga nagkakahalaga ng $120 per night. Pero wa akong magsaba sa akong lucky nga tag 120, ang akong chika 300 kay modus na. With $120 na may living room, small kitchen, banyo, and 3 bedrooms na pwede makahouse og 6 katao maximum. Pero sa kagamay niya, dili pwede magchungkang kay mahibawan sa silingan. Hi, finally nakadinner na gid me. And chill lang muna dito sa aming cabin, or I don't know if this is a cabin or this is a trailer or an RV. I don't know. Ang saya, ang ganda ng feeling. Very peaceful po dito. Ni-enjoy ko po yung ulan. Sobrang malakas po yung ulan ngayon. But bukas po, pupunta po kami sa mga iba't ibang trails. I've been meaning to do this 8.5-mile trail. Pero mukhang hindi yata kakayanin ng mga bata kasi with the kids kami. So, sa susunod na lang siguro. So, tomorrow we're going to the San Juan Mountains. We will be doing the easier trails. Ito ay mga kid-friendly na mga trails na patok sa mga bata. It also has spectacular views and icy lakes as well. Pero mas maganda talaga yung 8.5 kaso hindi kasi kami pwede. Pero yeah, and then pupunta kami sa Glenwood. Hopefully we can get a permit na pupunta kami sa Hanging Lake Trail because it's a 3-mile trail, so I think the kids can do it. And also, we're gonna do the hot water spring tubing. Ayan. So, para naman matuwa ang mga bata. Easy trip for the family. And hopefully, you guys can also come here kasi napakaganda talaga. Very, very beautiful here in Western Colorado. So, I'll see you guys later! Good morning mga kageng! Kachar sa vlog! Get ready with me sa aming second day trip dito sa Colorado Springs. Ayan, address ko lang po ang issue dahil marami pong nagtataka kahapon sa aking video kung meron po ba akong anak. No po, wala po akong anak at hindi po ako tunay na babae dahil isa po akong tranena. Maraming din pong nagtatanong na backup account po ba ito ni Liza Soberano dahil nandito siya sa Amerika. No po, please don't confuse me with her dahil isa lang po akong simpleng mamamayan dito sa Amerika. Hindi po ako artista, ako isang simpleng vlogger lamang. Ako po ay naghahanda na ngayon dahil medyo late na po kami gumising para sa aming trip ngayon at kami ay biyahe na naman for 2.5 hours. Ayan, masyado kaming malayo ngayon. Ewan ko ba kung bakit dito kami nagstay, pero ewan ko kasi hindi kasi ito nakaplano. Pero one thing is for sure, lahat kami ay matutuwa at mag-e-enjoy habang naliligo kami sa hot springs at maglalaro kami sa water tubing. Yan po ang linulook forward naming lahat sa araw na ito. At tatapusin ko na po ang aking makeup, finishing touches na lang, perfume, and voila! See you guys later! Are you guys all ready? So tara na at samahan nyo kami pumunta at mag-explore dito sa Colorado Lakes, western side of Colorado. Let's go! Next to me is the Colorado River. It stretches 5 miles. Buot-buot. Pero taas kayo siya ako kay Bao. This is a very beautiful kuan kanang lugar. Pero wako kabaw usa ni kataas, pero grabe ni kataas. Tibuok Colorado siguro na an siya. So bayo ni mo. Have arrived after the 2-hour drive from Montrose. We are now here in Glenwood Springs. So we're going to dive into the hot springs and of course mag-water tubing ang mga bata. So let's go! Hello mga kageng, and we are finally done for the day. It's already 8 p.m. and we are finally done. We've only been to one place today. Nagdako ang among ulo. But tomorrow we are going to the Ridgeway National State Park. So there's more adventure to come. Pero oh my God, it was a tiring day but lots and lots of fun. So thank you mga kageng and see you on our day 3. Bye! Hello, hello, hola, hola mga gang, and we are finally on our 3rd day and our last day in exploring the Colorado Springs. I think there's a lot of places to explore, but we only have a few time and we're with the kids, so we're a little bit limited, but along the way, on our way back home, we're gonna have a few stops. And we are also going to check beautiful sceneries. We're gonna get down from the car, take videos, take pictures because napakaganda talaga. Mga scenic views na mayroon din silang tinatawag na $1 million highway, which is very difficult talaga na i-drive kasi pang-pang na po siya right next to where you are driving. Nadaanan namin yun on our way here, pero medyo kinakabahan ako taking videos. Siguro this time I will feel a little better, but hopefully makikita namin, and we'll be doing a few stops also, and makakita din kami ng mga lakes at mga springs na pwede namin maliguan kasi you know naman, I'm a sucker for lakes. Tara na, and samahan niyo kami on our 3rd and last day here in Colorado. Hello mga kageng, we are here in the town of Ouray, and this is a very small town. So right now mga gang, I am currently looking for food because I'm already hungry. I'm extremely famished and I haven't eaten anything yet. There's a lot of food choices, but mostly they are all like pubs and American food. So what I like choice but mag-burger agad tani. My lunch for today. Nibalhin ko ang seat because init siya. This is my 2nd time to be here in the western side of Colorado. The weather here is perfect. Talagang napaka-perfect ng weather. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi din siya gaano kalamig. Bearable. Nakakapag-wear ako ng shorts. I guess I should say this is one of my favorite places here in the mainland. Kasi yung favorite place ko talaga is Hawaii. And pero kung dito, kung mountains, kung lakes, kung waterfalls, whitewater rafting, kapag, you know, if you had enough of the beach and gusto mo ng konting tao lang, dito ka pumunta sa Colorado. Traveling is one of the things that makes me feel good. Sometimes nababago tayo sa trabaho and then sometimes we need a break, and this is the perfect break for me is to travel. Napakaganda talaga na experience ang mag-travel because you get to be somewhere na hindi mo nakita, you get to experience culture, you get to experience people, locals in that area, and you get to also meet other people also who are tourists from other places. And you know, it is a holistic experience that I always look forward every time I travel. So now this, my friends, is what they call the $1 Million Highway. I don't know why it's called the $1 Million Highway, but I'm pretty sure we are right next to the cliff. So this is the best place to practice driving. Finally, we are on our last destination, mga gang. This is one of the lakes here in Silverton, or I think this is still part of the San Juan Mountains. But it's so beautiful. You can just enjoy the view. We're going home, mga gang, at salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Colorado Springs. Ang ganda, sobrang worth it. I hope you guys can come too. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Colorado. And see you sa aking next trip sa Mammoth Lake. So, bye mga gang. And thank you very much. I hope you will subscribe. Char! Feeling vlogger. Bye everyone!